In previous session, we were doing exercise 7.1, right? 7.1 we have completed till question number 8. Okay, we'll be starting with question number 9. What will question number 9 tells us? If Q 0,1 is equidistant from P and R, value of X. Also find the distance between QR and PR. Okay, so very simple. What was it? Coordinate geometry alva. Okay, so they have given question number 9, equidistance. So question of point Q is equal to 0,1, point P is equal to 5, minus 3. Right along with me, point R is equal to x, 6. Okay, write it along. So they have given it is equidistance. That means QP is equal to QR. Right? That means QP square is equal to QR square. Yes? So what is QP? 5 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 the whole square is equal to x minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. Clear? Doubt? Distance formula doubt? No doubt? Okay. Visible? Fine. So 5 square is plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 the whole square 16, x square plus 6 minus 1 5 square is, there is plus 25 here, there is plus 25 here. If I take on the other side, what happens? They'll get cancelled, right? So x square is equal to 16. What will be x? Plus or minus 4. Yeah? Yes? It can take both the values plus 4 as well as minus 4. Okay? So you have to write the distance PQ and QR. So what is the value of x plus or minus 4? So the coordinate R can be either 4, 6 or minus 4, 6. For coordinate of R to be 4, 6, they have asked us to find what? QR and PR. PR is equal to root of what is P? 5 minus 4t whole square plus minus 3 minus 6t whole square. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 square is 1 plus minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 9 the whole square is 81. So root 82. Okay, root 82 how much? Root 82 units. Similar way, for one more they have asked us to find this, which one? QR. Root of, what is Q? 0. Okay, 0 minus 4 the whole square plus 1 minus 6 the whole square minus 4 the whole square is 16. minus plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. 25 plus 16 ಏನಪ್ಪಾ 41. ಏನಪ್ಪ 31 41 units. Okay, this is when r is equal to 4 power 6. When r is equal to minus 4 power 6, what happens? What happens to PR? Is equal to root of 5 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 the whole square. 5 plus 4 9 square 81. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 square. So what will it be? 2 into 81, right? 81 is 9 root 2 units. Okay, clear? Down. Okay, so similarly we have QR. QR is equal to root of 0 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 the whole square plus 1 minus 60 whole square. 4 square is 16. 1 minus 6 minus 5 the whole square 25. 16 plus 25 root 41 units. That's it. Doubt?
Sir, why x can be plus or minus?
X is the coordinate value. Graph and bardaga x can be either plus 4, x can be either minus 4. Both the sides the value can be existing. Look up, distance can't be negative, but the coordinate value can be negative. No. What is the distance between these two? This is 8 units. Okay, we can't tell it as minus 8 units. Okay. Finish it quickly. See, what is this? Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 relation between x and y. Given x comma y is the point. Okay, we'll solve question number 10. Yes. Okay. Yes. What have they given us? X comma y is equidistant from I will take it as this. I will take it as p of x comma y. Okay, equidistance from the point A, which is 3,6, equidistance from the point B, which is minus 3,4. Okay. Yes. Okay. So once this is said to be equidistance, what does that mean? The point B is equal from A and B. So AP is equal to BP, right? AP is equal to BP. So similar way I can write it as AP square is equal to BP square. All's good? Yes? AP square is equal to BP square. Okay. Other than square root, omitting the square root, you will write the same way. Look how we wrote here. This step onwards, you will write the same way. So What is a? 3. 3 minus xd whole square plus minus 3 minus yd whole square, which is equal to how down?
6.
So
6.
is equal to x minus of minus 3 is plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 40 whole square. Clear up? Clear? A plus b, a minus b whole square formula so gottalla gottilla anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ go back to the Montessori, sit learn it and come back. Montessori ಅಲ್ಲ 7th standard ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, again a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let me write the terms common. Plus sign is there, plus sign is there, cancel. X square is here, x square is here, cancel. Y square is here, y square is here, cancel. Okay? Yes. Remaining all of the terms here, no? I'll get this on the other side. Yes? I'll get everything on the other side. So we have here 6x remaining, minus 8y we have, plus 16 actually. When minus 6 comes to the other side, it will become plus 6, minus 36, plus 12y equals 0. Add the like terms, 6 plus 6, 12x, minus 8y plus 12y is how much? Plus 4y minus 16, sorry, plus 16 minus 36 is how much?
20.
Minus 20 equals 0. This I can further write it as, how can I write? Divide the entire term by 4. 3x plus y is equal to 5. Right? Simplest form, sir. You know the 3 tables, sir? Then you can do it closer. Doubt? Doubt? Okay. Tell me once you're done. Tell me once you're done. Done? Completed? Completed? So, don't write anything for now. Okay, I'll make you write the notes. Understand the concept. Okay. So, distance formula, we found the distance between this point and this point. Point A and B, we found out the distance. Okay. What if there is a point named as P, which, what if the point named as P divides the line A and B in the ratio M is to N? What if the point P divides the line A and B in the ratio M is to N? What will be that point P? Is found out by using something called as section formula by internal division. External division formula is not there for your 10th. How will you get to know external division? 1 or 2 question is there in the exercise. Okay. That time what you will get to know is this point P will not be lying here. Rather this point P will be outside the line here. Okay. but still it is dividing the line. How it P comes here, PP will be 1 ratio, PA will be 1 ratio, right? Yes? So, when a point divides a line in a ratio m is to n, okay, or m1 is to m1, people tell this in different formats, okay? Any ratios, if it divides, that time the section formula is given by P is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. Okay? Yes? Divided by m plus n. Okay? Then for the y coordinate, what will it be given? M by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n. This one divided by m plus n. Clear? This formula is very important. Okay? Derivation of the same is given, they won't ask in the exam. Okay? Application of the formulas only will be asked. From this chapter there is no derivation. Okay? Doubt? Yaar doubt idea formula late. In a school they
are taught with M1
m1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. That formula also holds good. Whereas m1 m2 are the ratios. Okay, we can tell it as a plus b the whole square or x plus y the whole square. Both are the same, no? Yes. Formula is nowhere concerned with us. Formula you will just write it in the question to make the examiner, those who is correcting your paper, to understand that yes, I also know the formula. For it to be understood, you will write the formula. That's it. Only thing which you will be given marks is for what? For proper substitution. You substitute it into formula, 1 mark. You simplify and get the final answer, 1 mark. This is how the weightage is. Okay? Understood the formula? You have to write and practice. So from here after, we will be getting n number of formulas. Quadratical, we had something called as discriminant formula, quadratic formula we had. Polynomials, and we had standard form of polynomial. Alpha plus beta will be given as minus b by a. Alpha into beta is given by c by a. That we learned in polynomial. Real numbers, we don't have any such formulas. It's not any such formula based questions are not there in real numbers. What is the only formula in real numbers? HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. So you have to maintain a book for this. Okay? One small book of this much thickness would be enough. Thickness this much is enough. It is only maintained for formulas. Very first formula will be your HCF into LCM. Second formula will be standard form of quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus sum into x plus product. Okay, that is the standard form. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That formula you will write. Followed by coming to quadratic chapter. What is the formula you learned in quadratic chapter?
B square minus 4ac.
B square minus 4ac. That is your discriminant. What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4. Okay. After that, coming to this chapter, what all you learned in distance formula you learned. What is distance formula?
Root
Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Followed by, now you learn this formula. So you will add these things every day in that book. Daily whatever formulas you learn, you will have them. For those who don't know a plus b the whole square formula, a minus b the whole square formula, a plus b the whole cube formula, a minus b the whole cube formula, a square minus b square formula, all those formulas you will write it. Write it, keep it in one place. Provided you have to start your practice from today. How many of you have difficulty in remembering the formula? Tell me genuinely. Tell me genuinely. Difficulty ilva? ಇಲ್ವಾ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಕೆಲವರು when I asked in the day 1. Okay, what is the solution for it? What all formulas you have written in that book, daily boiling, you wake up, see God fig, that is enough. You don't need to go do puja at all. God won't bother about it. Look at the formula fill. Okay, take a sheet of paper, start writing all the formulas, come submit it. Okay, as of now we will start it for everyone. Okay, few of you genuinely told that you have problem, few of you didn't tell it, but I don't know how many of you have the problem or not, so we will do the solution for everyone, right? Knowing the formulas is nothing bad. So what you will do from here after, all the formulas which will be taught up to that class will be written daily, or you will come, don't keep this habit, coming to the class and writing. I can't give you time in the class. Okay, ಮನೇಲೆ ಇಂದಿನ ದಿವಸ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನಂತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಲಾವ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವೋಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, this is your habit from next class. This is your practice for the next class. Okay, section formula we are done. Similar way to the section formula, we have midpoint formula. What if this point P is exactly in the middle of A and B? That means it divides the A and B in the ratio 1:1. Right? It is dividing this line exactly in the ratio 1:1. Exactly into half. So what happens? M will be 1, N will be 1. So what, in place of M you substitute 1, in place of N you substitute 1. So what will the formula become? X2 plus x1 or x1 plus x2 divided by 1 and 1 we know. 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by 2, you are exactly dividing into half means divided by 2. Simple. Similar way, what will be my coordinate? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is what we have written. Down in the midpoint.
Sir, we can use that section formula.
You can use section formula, sir.
We don't know.
If you don't, why don't you know?
Sir,
Why won't you know?
confused.
What confusion is there? In place of m and n you are putting 1. So since it is midpoint, it will be dividing the line into half. So you are putting it divided by 2. Okay? So what are the points x1, y1? x1 plus y1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Sorry, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay? Any confusion in it? Board actually assumes that when midpoint question is given, you use this formula because they will get a clarity. Yes, the students knows the difference between midpoint and section. Okay? Yes? So in order to give the clarity for person who is correcting the paper, at least you have to write. Okay? Irrespective of what, we know the difference between section and midpoint formula is nothing. It's the same formula itself, we are substituting the ratio as 1:1, that's it. Okay, we know that, even the examiner also knows that. But what is the board expecting is, the student should know there is a formula existing for midpoint. Okay, write down the notes. Section formula of internal division. Section formula for internal division. In your NCERT they have followed section formula. Point P is in between A and B, but it's not in exactly in between A and B. Okay, so you can't use midpoint. It is not exactly in the middle. So it is somewhere in between A and B, and that point is dividing A and B in the ratio m:n. Okay, since it is dividing in the ratio m:n, the point P can be found out by using the formula m into x2 plus n into x1. Very simple. M is here, m into x2, n into x1. Okay, how will you remember? M into x2, n into x1. Into side by stand by line. Yes. So divided by m plus n. Similar way for the y-axis also you will find. M into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Clear? Doubt? Anyone doubts with girls, boys? Now, idea? Okay. Write section formula for internal division. Write this diagram. Do this diagram. I don't expect you to write these lines at all. H, U, K, L, not required. We are not deriving it. No? Just draw a line AB, write the coordinates of A and B, A x1, y1, B x2, y2, and write a point somewhere in the middle. Okay, don't write it in the middle. Don't write it in the middle. Somewhere in between the lines you write it. Divide that in the ratio m is to n. Okay, then write down the formula. P is given by m of x2 plus mx2 plus nx1 divided by m by 2 plus n by 1. After that, midpoint formula. Okay. Example 1. Look at the board. Look at the board. What does the example 1 tells us? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment, joining the points 4, minus 3, 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. They have given m is to n ratio. They have given A. They have given B. You have to find the point P. Okay. This is my example. Example 6, point P is given by the formula x, y is equal to m mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. Okay, what is m is to n? 3:1. What is x1, y1? 4, minus 3. What is x2, y2? Start video. 3, 5. Okay. You know the values, you know the formula, substitute for the simplify one. Write it. Write it. Example 6 question mark will start one. So P x, y is equal to m 3 into x2 a plus 1 into x1 4 divided by 3 plus 1, 3 into y2 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 3 into 8 is 24 plus 4 divided by 4. Comma 3 into 5 is 15 minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, that is nothing but 24 plus 4, 28 by 4, comma 15 minus 3, 12 by 4, which is nothing but equal to 7, 7, doubt. In what ratios the point 4 minus 4, 6 divides the line segment? They have given us already P. We have to find M and N. Okay? Or M1 and M2, whatever. Okay? We have to find the ratio. They have given us the points. Okay? So ratio find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು linear equation in two variables ಬರಲ್ಲ. Linear equation in two variables ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ? ಸುಪ್ರಿ, ಸಾತ್ವತ್, ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ linear equation in two variables? ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Solving methodology we will see. Example they have given us point P, which is minus 4, 6, which is nothing but x, y, right? They have given me point A, which is minus 6 over 10, which is nothing but my x1, y1. They have given me point B, which is 3 comma minus 8, which is my x2, y2. I'll continue this. 8 to 9 to 10 to move to this. Leave the background. I'll tell if anyone asks. I was ready to give, they were not ready. Yes, sir, difference here. Just where are they? ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರೆಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಶೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ p of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus n x1 divided by f plus n divided by is equal to so f by 2 is equal to comma plus n by 1 divided by f plus n. Clear? You will first equate the x part, then equate the y part. Okay? We'll first take the x coordinates and we'll frame one equation. We'll take the y coordinates and frame the other equation. Okay? X, what is the value of x? Minus 4 is equal to m. X2, what is x2? 3 plus n. X1 is minus 6 divided by m plus n. M plus n I am taking on the other side. See here. Everyone see here. You can write down later. See the method. M plus n I am taking on the other side. Minus 4n minus 4n is equal to 3m plus or minus 6n. Okay. I take the entire terms this side. So 3m plus 4m 7m minus 6n plus 4n minus 2n equals 0. This is equation 1. Okay. Yes. Then I'll substitute only y part now. What is my y? What is my y? 6. 6 is equal to f y2. What is y2? Minus 8 plus n. y1 is 10 divided by f plus n. F plus n I am taking on the other side. So 6f plus 6n is equal to minus 8f plus 10n. Okay, I am taking this on this side. Okay, full term. So 6 plus 8 14m minus 10 plus 6 minus 4n is equal to 0. How can I write this? Very simple. I will write as equation of 2 plus 6. Don't worry, both the equations are the same. Okay. So now, very simple. With this equation, what can I write? 14m is equal to 4m. Okay. M by n is equal to 4 by 14. Right? N I took it below, 14 I took it that side. Now, anyone doubt in this step? Which is equal to 2 by 7. Okay? So, m is to n is why I wrote equation 1 and 2 is to make you understand you will get both the equations same. Any one of the equation if you take and solve also you will get the answer. Clear? Now come to the next question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Trisection means what? The point that divides the line into 3 parts. Okay? 3 equal parts. 3 parts are 3 equal parts. Okay? Okay? Joining A is how much? 2 comma minus 2. B is how much? Minus 7 comma 4. Question number 8. Okay? Distance formula Should I write it again? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ವಾ should I write it again okay ನೀವು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು okay ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್ you need to write on the board ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then I will give I have the recorded proof okay so what is my a is how much 2 comma minus 2 okay this is my x1 y1 what is my b
minus
7 comma 4 this is my x2 y2 okay let me take point p x3 y3 okay in x comma y has to toggle because there are 2 points which are dividing the line okay I'll tell you this is the line AB this is PQ this length all are equal midpoint ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
after section
first you have to find the section then you can find the midpoint or again you can use section itself okay
the ratio 1:1
ratio is 1:1:1 okay so for point P it will be 1:2 yes M/L will be 1:2 so for point P the ratio will be M/L is 1:2 okay for 1:2 ratio we'll find out x3 comma y3 is equal to substitute m into x2 1 into x2 minus 7 plus n into x1 divided by f plus n f into y2 plus n into y1 divided by f plus n clear doubt artha agilva ratio artha agilla ashte this formula 1:2 antala for point P which is in between this is to this is in 1 plus 1 is 2 1:2 clear any doubts anyone next step substitute for formula le substitute madradashte okay so x3 comma y3 is equal to minus 7 plus 4 how much minus 3 by 3 comma 4 minus 4 is 0 so x3 comma y3 is equal to minus 1 comma 0 that is point P is equal to
so
now you can use either midpoint or section formula you know this point P is minus 1 comma 0 you know this point P value but Q is a midpoint you can use midpoint formula directly okay shall I use midpoint or section midpoint I'll use so what is my midpoint formula for Q
x1 plus
x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 plus y2 divided by 2 okay so what will be by x1 and x2 instead of this I will write it as x3 y3 okay x3 y3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x1 y2 I have taken it as a p I have taken as x3 y3 okay so what I will substitute minus 1 x2 x2 minus 7 divided by 2 comma y3 x2 0 y2 x2 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 minus 8 by 2 minus 4 4 by 2 simple easy questions of this chapter are scoring provided you know the formula properly and the substitute Okay, you will understand it with backward bodo. They don't expect you to write this diagram. Okay, this is example 8. Example 9 will take. Shall we? Example 9, find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining these 2 points and find the points of intersection. Y-axis point will be 0, y divides the point A. What is point A? 5, y less 6. What is point B? Minus 1, minus 4. Okay. Just to find the ratio and this way. Okay. Yes. Fine. So let me take the ratio to be. Let me take the ratio to be m is to n. Okay. In the NCERT they have given different method. Okay. I suggest please don't follow this. This will be confusing because each question will be like one method they would have solved. In order to make you understand the different methods how it is, let's follow one simple method so that you don't get confused with the other questions. Okay. So first we will substitute for x coordinates. Okay. 0 is equal to f into x2. x2 is minus 1 plus n into y2 is how much? 5 divided by f plus n. Clear? x2, x1. Clear? How I got this? Take this on the other side. 0 is equal to minus f plus 5n. f is equal to 5n. Okay? So f by n is equal to 5 by 1. So f is to n is equal to 5 is to 1. Is it difficult? That much difficult? Okay, did they ask this? Yeah, they have asked us to find the value of y. What is this value of y at point of intersection? They have asked us. So now y will be how much? F into y2. What is y2? Minus 4 plus n into y1. F is how much? 5 minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. Okay, y is equal to 5 minus 4 is 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 6 divided by 6. 5. 6 and 20 plus 6 minus 26 by 6, which will be minus 13 by 3, right? 2 tables. 13 by 3. So therefore the point P is equal to 0, minus 13 by 3. Okay, clear? Doubt? Doubt? Okay. We'll come to question number 10. Example 10. Okay. We'll come to example 10. What is example 10? If a point A 6 comma something, B 8 comma 2, C 9 comma 4, D 3 comma 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Taken in the order, find the value of P. What happens in the parallelogram? I'll draw the diagram. See. This is parallelogram. Okay. A, B, C, and D. Okay. If you have the diagrams like this, diagonals bisect. It is the midpoint for both. Okay. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of DB. Yes. So AC midpoint is equal to DB midpoint. So for that, what you will do? P for X comma Y for AC will be how much? How much? X1, Y1 for AC is how much? Okay, before that, I'll write the coordinates. What is A? 6 comma 1. What is B? 8 comma 2. What is C? 9 comma 4. What is D? 3 comma 3. Okay. I will take it as O. Okay. That will not confuse with this P and this P. I'll take it as O. O will be how much? X comma Y. Okay. For AC we will write X comma Y. So AC X1 Y1 6 plus 9 divided by 2. X2 Y2 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay. For AC. For DB I will write P plus 8 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Yes? Okay. So, here further if I simplify 6 plus 9 is how much? 15 by 2 power 5 by 2 is equal to P plus 8 by 2 plus 5 by power 5 by 2. Power 5 by 2. Okay? Yes? Now, 5 by 2 is there. We just equate the x coordinates value. 15 by 2 is equal to P plus 8 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. P plus 8 is equal to 15. P is equal to 15 minus 8. How much? 7. So what have they asked us? They have asked us to find the value of P. Clear? Clear? Doubt? Doubt? Right now.